In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom photo background image to your Google Calendar. This is a great way to personalize your workspace and make your calendar visually appealing. Let's dive right into the process without further ado. First, you'll want to head to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for an extension called Custom Calendar Background. This extension is specifically designed for enhancing your Google Calendar's visual appearance. Once you locate it, simply click on Add to Chrome. If you're using the Brave browser, you'll see Add to Brave, so go ahead and click that. The process is pretty straightforward, and the extension will begin its installation process immediately. Now that the extension is installed, you need to make sure it's easily accessible. Click on the puzzle icon, which is located at the top right of your browser, and pin the extension to your toolbar. This action ensures you always have quick and easy access whenever you want to change your calendar's background. Next, let's find an image for your calendar. You can explore websites like Unsplash or Pexels, which offer beautiful, high-resolution images that are free to use. Once you find an image you love, copy the image's URL. With the URL in hand, click on the Custom Calendar Background extension icon in your toolbar and select Options. Here's where the customization magic happens. First, under the Overlay settings, choose Light Overlay. This option ensures all your events remain readable against the background you choose. Now look under the Background settings and choose Single Image. Doing this indicates you want a single photo as your background instead of a rotating gallery. Place your copied image URL into the provided box. Make sure everything looks right, and when you're ready, just click on Save. This saves your settings and applies the custom background to your calendar. Now open your Google Calendar. You should see your new custom background right away, giving your calendar a fresh and personalized look. It really makes the entire interface more engaging and pleasant to look at. Remember, if you ever want to change the background image, you can easily do so by revisiting the extensions options and updating the image URL or any other settings. This feature means you can update your calendar's look as often as you'd like, keeping your workspace dynamic and fresh. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Calendar with a beautiful image background. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.